Alrighty, Casey Camera Boy here, working on the First Amendment. Not to let these people respect their freedom to record. So we got this parked there with boxes and a trash bin there. I thought the trash bin goes on the alleys, but I guess so.
What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Huh?
Yes. No discussion. Right behind you, right behind you. What is he changing?
No more for pink.
Yeah, 1072, we get a 513 to your left, much to your left.
What are you guys doing?
Note, it is
Huh?
November 8th today.
Where do you come from? Where do you guys come from? Huh?
California.
California? California what?
Said where we come from?
Huh?
We come from California.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
But what are you guys doing? Just preacher?
Yeah. Yeah, we
Yes.
can't disclose any information.
Huh?
We can't disclose any information.
You can discuss an information?
We cannot disclose information in regards to our investigation.
Or your investigation or something?
Yes. Lots of investigations.
Yeah, but you gotta do some, tell me what you guys do.
No, we can't.
Yeah?
Nah. It's gonna jeopardize the investigation. Then you're gonna know, and then if you know, and that's already two of us that know. So that's,
What is it, for the law? California?
I don't know. Yeah, I can talk about it. Sorry about that. You got your ID, just so I can know who I talked to and put it on that report for my company. So it's just a quick investigation we're working on, and that's pretty much it. So we cannot disclose anything. Just know that we are allowed to do what we're doing. Thank you. It was cool, but I don't know, it was a bit nosy too. So yeah.
Where you guys from?
California.
Huh?
California.
California?
Yes, sir.
What's going on? What's the filming for?
Oh yeah, we can't disclose it.
Yeah.
So you guys have a badge of any type, or? So what's the purpose?
Yeah, we can't
We
disclose
can't
that.
disclose it.
So should I call the police and
Well, I mean, why would you do that?
Waste
why wouldn't
resources.
I? It's private property, right?
For taking pictures?
Yeah. What's the purpose?
It says freedom on your shirt.
Yeah. So?
I thought we were free to do what we're doing.
Yeah, but why are you filming our business? What's the purpose?
Yeah, we can't disclose it. I mean,
Yeah.
I can tell you that we're doing an investigation on the company, but other than
It's
that, we can't
2023.
disclose
Yeah, so you should know.
Alright.
What's your name?
David?
Oh, nice meeting you.
Yeah, nice meeting you guys as well.
Mr. Fitzwell. You can just call me Mr. Fitzwell. Thank you. I like your shirt, by the way, but I mean, you need to practice it. The freedom part, you know?
Yeah, well, I mean, it's still awkward when somebody comes films our business. You have no idea what it's about. So I think it's only right to ask, right?
No,
I mean, I don't think that's a problem.
it.
So,
No, it's right to ask.
It's right
yeah,
there.
yeah.
It's not
So,
okay to call police though.
pardon?
It's not okay to call police.
Why not?
It's bad for your health. We can get shot.
You guys can get shot.
We're at risk.
Why would you guys be at risk? You guys aren't breaking the law, right?
You know they're dangerous.
Yeah, they're shady, you know? This day and age, 911,
Yeah.
everything that's going on. You know, whatever's happening over there too in Ukraine and everything, so you need to watch out. Oh, he's gonna do the chemical shame, bro. Hey, real quick, if you call the cops, you hungry?
Red Bull.
We'll take 2 Red Bulls. I'll take an In-N-Out 4x4, plain, just meat, cheese, and bun, cut in half. Appreciate you, thanks. I thought he was gonna help us. Is that your son?
Huh?
Is that your son?
What?
Is that your son?
Yeah.
Oh, you might want to take him to study some business laws, what you guys can do and what you guys cannot do, you know, on the scope when it comes to like running your company, because I think he's a little bit out of his boundary. Yeah, so this is the First Amendment. We can record. We are private press.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, what happened, we never know who's coming.
that's why we told you. I mean, that's why we told you. It's
Yeah.
on this closed investigation. We cannot disclose it, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, so we appreciate you. Yeah.
Well, it's cool, but when you're doing an investigation, we have no clue list. and you guys have no badges, doesn't make any sense.
I
That's
already
just the
explained
bottom
them.
line. So,
Yeah, you're a little bit
what is that? Are you threatening me now?
Why would we?
Well, you have a gun.
No?
What are you guys carrying guns for?
Safety in this day and
Safety
age.
of what?
911 and everything
Safety
that goes
of
on.
what?
Cops. People that
What?
come
Of
aggressive.
who?
He almost got shanked right now back there.
Well, that's your guys' problem. Look what you guys are
What
doing.
do you mean? You don't need to close it.
I'm gonna close it.
You can just give us a tour of your company.
Why? If you guys are saying an investigation, doesn't make. I can see if you guys would say I'd like to.
You
I'd like
help
to tour
me.
your business. I'd like to tour your business.
help me with
I'd
my
like, I'd like to see
investigation.
what you guys are doing. Then that's a different approach. But when you're approaching and you got weapons just sitting there, makes no sense.
It's freedom. It's freedom.
You misunderstanding what freedom is. Freedom is people that want to work hard and build a business like we have
I
done
work
for
hard.
ourselves.
I own an
Obviously
LLC.
not. Obviously
I own
not.
an LLC. What are you talking about?
yourself.
What do you mean? I have an LLC. I run a non-profit
Don't even go there
organization.
with Constitution. You guys
Oh
have.
my God, bro! I run a company and I have a non-profit. Wow! I can't believe I'm not. You don't have to be rude like on the. I mean, I'm being rude. I'm not even being a dick to you. I can be a dick. That's crazy, but we're actually nice to people. I mean, that happens.
I'm not saying you guys are not nice. I'm
Oh, okay. We're doing an investigation and we cannot disclose what we're doing. He's gonna go talk. Damn, that's it. That's it. My man. My man. My man.
Neighbor, educate him. You know it's our First Amendment right.
My man.
God bless America.
Pow pow.
Anything you can see from the sidewalk, record.
Oh damn, I can't believe it.
But hey, these are good people. They're friends of mine.
Damn, he is calling the cops. Nah, but está bien. You know, it's his right too to call the cops. He is concerned. He's doing his deed too. Yeah. No, but we're trying to tell you. That's what I told you. You know what's going on, so you don't think that we're being mean or you know. But it's just an investigation.
David.
Wow. I like your attitude though. Pretty chill. I like your attitude.
Well, we're gonna have to.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to.
David,
Yeah.
yeah.
Hey,
I wonder if he's gonna place the order. I'm actually hungry, bro.
remember 2 Red Bulls, in and out.
Mine cut in half plain, just meat, cheese, and a bun.
There it is. I'll just take a number 102. David.
Yeah,
Back inside,
on
go
the
back
side
to
of the
work.
address.
I guess. Anyways, the gentleman here is being nice, so I guess it's just the beat over there. Mr. David having a quick tantrum. 513, 511.95 on the 555 with the 555. He's calling 5 on the 5.
The neighbor, dude.
The neighbor. Yep, that's the living of shame. Not for the other guy. Homie here is being cool.
Got 2 phones?
Yeah. It's for the life.
Pero imagínate si te quitan uno.
I got third one so I can lock both of them. Oh my god, bro. Don't do that do-do-doing because we're doing the doing. And we do the do-do-do. When was your company founded?
1978.
Oh, it's been running for a long time. That's good, wow. How did it hit you with the pandemic?
Oh my God.
It was it bad?
Yeah.
Damn. Well, that kind of sucks. I hope it's picking up for you now.
We just survived.
Yeah, but I mean, still the economy is really bad, man.
Yeah.
I mean, stocks, everything is going down.
Still doing. Yeah.
You don't, do you invest?
Where?
Like invest stock market? Do you
No.
have a business
No.
manager or something?
No.
Oh, okay. An accountant? I'm assuming you have an accountant, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. He should be kind of guiding you through that, all that, you know? But remember, the key is silver and gold, especially silver.
Yeah.
Invest in that.
Yeah.
Yep. The threshold is $2,000. If you buy over $2,000, you don't pay taxes. So you gotta pay $2,000 so you don't have to pay taxes. Monday?
$2,000 at a time.
Yeah, every time so you don't pay taxes. And under $10,000 so you report to the IRS. Yeah, órale pues, stay safe, man.
Ándale, pues.
Órale, chido. Alright, gracias. Well, he was being cool. Ah, ni modo. Damn, closing the shit. That's actually the magic cake. Wow. Damn. Can't believe my nuts. I guess so. By the way, that wasn't a financial advice. Well, I just saying. Anyways, Casey Camera Boy, this is it. Now I'm Shane. Really good guy. I hope he takes it. Over $2,000, under 10 grand. And that's it. Invest. Silver, it's gonna be the one. I'm telling you, y'all. I'm telling you. And get a safe at the bank and put a delay of at least 5 days, 7 days. So that way when you have to withdraw, you have to wait 7 days for you to be able to touch your funds or whatever you have inside your safe. So let's say you get kidnapped or someone is trying to ask you for ransom. They're gonna have to wait 7 days to get my damn money. So in 7 days, if I haven't posted, it's because you know that after 7 days or after like 3 days, it's because something is wrong. I don't stop posting just to stop posting, you know? And when I stop posting, it's because it's either Christmas, stuff like that, you know, holidays. And sometimes even the holidays I post too. So I appreciate you, thanks, bye. Damn, that's it. David, ahí viene la placa. That's it. That's it. That's it.
How you doing? Officer Placencia with the Ohio Police Department. Got a call about you guys recording. The concern was whatever your taser is right there in your holster. So you guys
Are we being
doing
detained?
some First Amendment audit or something?
Thank you.
You can't disclose any information.
I'm sorry?
You can't disclose any information.
Okay. Well, either way, I'm just letting you know somebody called about that. I mean, I guess they were in fear of it. So just so you know, just be aware of that, okay, when you guys are recording, doing whatever you're doing, that some people might see that and kind of be in fear, think it's a real gun.
Yeah.
Or something of the nature. Okay? We don't want any problems. We don't want you guys to get hurt. There's a
I
lot of
wouldn't.
people that, well, there's other people that are out there that might have real guns.
Okay, yeah.
And they may not be law enforcement. They think that you're trying to do something to them and it goes bad, right?
Damn, you got it.
I've seen videos where guys are doing videos on YouTube and, you know, for whatever their channels, and
They get shot.
they get into some situations.
Someone
man,
just got shot at a mall.
at a mall.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you know you're
Doing
aware
pranks.
of it. Okay, just be careful. Real quick.
Thank you.
Get your name and badge number.
Officer Placencia, Alhambra Police Department, badge 260.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, man.
All right.
He said badge 260, but his number on his badge said 141.
That's a 0. And that's it. He's getting the educational shade. Damn, not so much freedom there. And that's it. He's telling him to do the doing, because they're gonna do the doing. And if you do the doing, then the doing is gonna do the doing. Yep.
I see you guys all the time.
Thank you, sir.
You guys have a good day.
Thank you. You as well. Yeah, that's cool. What? It's crazy. Yeah, someone just got shot actually at a mall. He got shot once by a delivery guy, so I'm not sure to leave the link there. I know what I'm saying.
Hey, have a good day, guys.
Stay safe.
Yeah.
Thank you.
At least it's cool today.
Right? Alright, that's it. Damn. That's it. He was professional. He was just concerned about being a gun or not. You know, but that's it. Casey Camera Boy, they got educated and everything. You know what and what I mean? We're ready right here. 1072 555 and a 555 with a 555 and a 555. That's it.